Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Manual handling accidents can come about when workers are told to carry, push, raise, lower and lift items in an unsafe manner. Injuries caused by such actions can have a serious impact on the victim's life. Accidents and injuries are often caused due to a lack of training and information provided on how to correctly and safely fulfill the tasks. If you've been involved in an accident of this nature, you may be wondering how to claim compensation. Today, I'm going to be looking at how to claim compensation for a manual handling accident. If you have not received training for manual handling and as a result you've been injured, then yes, the general answer is you may be able to bring a claim for compensation, as the impacts of such injuries can be serious and include pain and suffering, psychological damage as a result of your injury, reduced earning potential, and the inability to continue with your career. The first thing you should do following an accident is gather evidence to help show how the accident happened. This can include photographs of the accident scene, witness statements, and so on. You should also ensure that the accident is recorded in the employer's accident book. The next thing you should do is seek medical treatment and guidance. Make a note of what you've been told along with when you were told this. Should any medical records need to be traced, knowing when they were completed will help. Keep track of any losses. This includes all costs incurred as a result of your accident, such as travel expenses, medical treatment, care costs, loss of earnings, and so on. If you do wish to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist like legalexpert.co.uk. We can offer a free, no obligation session where we can help you establish whether or not we believe that your case has merits. It'll only take just a couple of minutes and you can contact us via our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk or call us on 0800 652 7676. If we believe that we're able to assist you in your claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means there's nothing to pay if you lose and no upfront fees, so you're able to continue with your recovery while we assemble a strong case in order to help secure the compensation that you deserve. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same, and whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.